Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a term that holds significance in entertainment, media, and social conversations. It refers to a slang term used for movies that contain explicit sexual content, nudity, or adult themes. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as dirty movie, dirty movie, dirty movie, dirty movie. It's often part of discussions around media censorship and sexual entertainment. If you enjoyed learning about dirty movies, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.